What if I tell you that you don't need Android Studio in your local system for developing an application? You just need a high-speed internet and a Google account, and you are ready to start your journey of software development from right there. Hello guys, my name is Bhavuj Adam, and in this video I will reveal a secret project of Google which is especially made for software developers. So what is it? The project IDX by Google. It is a web-based workspace where you can build, manage and deploy full-stack web and multi-platform application which is built on Google Cloud Workstation. Let me explain it with the example. Let's say we are developing an Flutter application. Building an Flutter application, so we need Android Studio. For the Android Studio, your system needs 8 GB RAM, more storage and i5 processor at least, and its amount goes up to 50,000 rupees, right? But now because of IDX, you can build your application directly on the cloud. You don't need to spend money on expensive systems, right? Let's take a look of it. First, open projectidx.dev in your browser. You can find this link in the description also. Well, मैं बताना भूल गया. Its UI is based on CodeOSS. CodeOSS? Let me check. Bro, it is a repository where Microsoft develop VS Code with the community. You can find this repo link in the description also. In Project IDX, you can develop with popular frameworks like Angular, Flask, Flutter, Next.js, and languages such as JavaScript, Dart, Python, Go, and more. You can also customize your environment with Nix or import your existing application from GitHub. So, what is Nix here? Let me explain it with example. Imagine you are a carpenter and you are working on a many project at the same time, and you have 3 toolboxes for each 3 projects, right? Toolbox A contains nails and hammer for furniture building. Toolbox B contains electronic items like screwdriver, wrenches for the electronic assembles. Toolbox C contains rulers, paintbrush for the painting work, right? Similarly, Next act in development environment. Each project have their own configuration file that is specifying the exact software package and required version. This ensures that everyone working on same project has the same development and reducing compatibility issues and wasted time troubleshooting. Optimizing your app on multi-platform. Android emulator problem solved here because of built-in multi-web browser, web preview, Android emulator and iOS simulator at one place. I think I don't need to explain what is it, so let's move forward. Code faster with GenAI, and this is my favorite because you can get the help of Gemini AI here for generating your code. It will not only generate a code, it is also optimize your app. You just need to write a prompt. Hey, I want to generate a code for this, and it will generate a code. Well, let's move to how you can get the Project IDX access for free. But before we go forward, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe my channel for the next video, because in my next video I will show you how you can build an app and set up and customize your Nix environment in IDX. For getting the early access for Project IDX, you need to join waitlist. So on the website of idx.dev, you just need to scroll down here and you see join waitlist option here. Connect your Google account here, and here it is done. You can also select a country for here and accept the terms and conditions. Now click on join. It is successfully joined here. Pause here and wait for some days, up to mostly 3 to 5 days, you get access of IDX. Thank you for watching.